1965 Olds, man. One Deep Mr. Show them boys, man. 52,000 miles on it, original. Had 47 on it when I got it. Getting everything completely redone on it, man. Everything. '65, man. We'll be on the street soon. Got a few chrome moldings on it taped down so it won't be flapping. Took the skirts and the hubcaps off. '65, man. Y'all need y'all car fixed, y'all come see this guy right here, Walter. It's a super mechanic right here, man. He don't play no game. You gotta go inside that thing, get that motor right, that transmission right. Y'all putting swingers on your cars and it ain't running right. You pulled over on the side of the road, car ain't running right. You got swingers on it. It's a '65 here, man. 52,000 miles. 47 when I got it, man. You ain't gonna see this pulled on the side of the road. GPS tracker and everything on it, Jack. Some what? AAA. Already. Yeah, I got a few tapings on it. Keep some chrome moldings from flapping. We're gonna get that right at the body part stage. That's niche. Gotta get that front end right, man. Everything, man. Complete everything. Major tuner, everything. So '65 Olds, '98 Regency. Restoration. Part 2. Getting it together, man. Car was already running when I brought it. Just went on and did it. Completely new everything. New brakes, rotors, calipers, everything. New tires, battery, everything on here gonna be new. And it come out, man. Capital SOON. Explanation point, Jack. Talking about it's One Deep Mr. Show them boys, Texas Range Entertainment, man. One Deep's 1965 Olds, Regency '98 luxury sedan. Restoration part 2, man. July 2020, baby. Something wild.